Hello, hi, I hope you all are doing well. So, in this video, I am going to tell you about why most of the people think about grammar rules while they speak in English. Even when I started my speaking journey, so that time I used to focus on grammar rules instead of speaking. But after spending so much time on grammar rules or vocab and all of this, I realized, it is not important to know all grammar rules when it comes to speak. So all the time, what you need if you if you know how to frame a sentence, if you know only basic grammars. I'm not talking about you should know each and everything about grammar. You should know some basic rules. Some basic rules means where you can use he, she, it, or where you can use they, I, we. So you know just basic rules, and you know where you have to use subject and according to the verb and object. So you should not know about some extraordinary rules kind if you are very beginner, if you have just started your journey. So just focus on the simple sentences. Do not focus too much about grammar rules. Like you should, like if you are a beginner, so I think you should not go with grammar rules. First of all, you should not go with the active passive in this position as of now. If you are a beginner, so if you are a beginner, so according to me, what you have to do in this position as of now, you should start just normal sentences. It should be very normal, like uh, मैं जाता हूँ, I go, वह वह आता है, he comes, वे जाते हैं, they go, और मैं खाना खाता हूँ, I eat, मैं सोता हूँ, I sleep, मैं सोया, I slept, वो रोई, she wept. So आपने देखा होगा कि मैं बहुत सिंपल सिंपल सेंटेंसेस बना रहा हूँ अभी, मतलब बहुत सिंपल सिंपल सेंटेंसेस। तो आपको क्या करना है, जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो स्पीकिंग, तो फर्स्टली क्या होता है कि मतलब आपको ना इन द स्टार्टिंग यू वांट टू, मतलब आपको वन टाइम फ्लुएंट होना है। यू वांट टू बिकम फ्लुएंट इन वन डे और वन वीक और वन मंथ. So I would like to tell you, really, literally, believe me, it is not possible to be fluent in 1 week, in 1 month, or in 2 months. It is not like that. Learning English is a journey. If today you have started your journey, so it will take time. It will take time. Yes, you are listening the right things. It will take time. You can take 6 months, you can take 8 months, it can be take 1 year, it can be take more than that. It totally depends on your practice. It means how much time you are giving for your English. I have seen many people. I would like to tell you one thing. I have seen many people's, uh, those says me like I'm a very good listener, or every day I listen to English speech or something, and I watch a lot of YouTube videos in English, or uh, I watch movies on English. So yeah, it is good. It is very good. It is very good if you listen videos on English, or watching movies in English. Yeah, it is very good. But if you are listening and watching only English content, if you're not speaking, so definitely you cannot be fluent in this language. First of all, you should understand this thing. If you are listening if you are listening anything in English, so you can be good at listening, correct? If you are if you are writing something, for example, you started to write anything on English, so you at a particular time, after some times, you can be good at writing. And if you are thinking by writing or by listening and without practicing, you can be fluent, or you can be good at English, so it is not possible. Believe me, it is not possible. In order to be fluent, you will have to speak every day. Yes, you will have to speak every day, and it will depends on you how much time you want to give. Yes, it totally depends on your process. How passionate you are to learn anything. So first of all, if you are a beginner, so I would suggest you try to make simple sentences. Simple sentences will help you more. And do not go with the extraordinary grammar rules. I would say just be with simple. Be with simple. Do not try to recall all kind of vocabularies. Just recall normal vocabularies which can be used while you're speaking to someone. All right. So this is the thing which I have told you about the about if you are a beginner, yes. And it is good if you listen the music in English or listen the videos on, I mean watching the videos on English. So it will help you a lot along with the speaking. But the most important thing is that you will have to speak every day. Yes, if you do not speak every day, and if you only listen or only watch the YouTube videos in English, so it will not help you a lot. So in order to be fluent, you will have to speak more. You should have friends, or now there are multiple apps as well. I mean, you need not a person to talk. I mean, you don't have to wait anyone. Now there are multiple apps on Play Store which you can use in order to improve yourself, and those applications are free as well, so you need not to pay for them for speaking. So it is very good. I have seen many applications in which every day you can get 20 to 30 minutes, between 20 and 30 minutes every day. So if you install 2 or 3 application, or every day you can get 20 minutes, so it means you have 60 minutes. I mean, it means you have 1 hours every day. So you can use that 1 hours and you can practice very freely, so you don't have to spend money in order to purchase any course as of now. If you are a beginner, so I would like to tell you, use free application as much as you can. Go on Play Store or go on YouTube and try to find which application is best for you, and use those applications and start your journey from there, and it will help you a lot. But one more thing I would like to tell you, you will have to speak, and there is no alternate. If you are thinking you will not speak and you can be fluent after some time without speaking, so definitely it is not going to be work. And it can be work only when you will speak every day. So every day you will have to practice. You will have to consistency matters everywhere. While you are speaking English, or while you are doing something, or you want to achieve your goal, whatever you want to become in your life, so you will have to consistent, and consistency matter everywhere, believe me. And it will help you a lot in everywhere. While you are for example, you are preparing for army exams. So for army exams, what you have to do, every day you will have to run, correct? Every day you will have to do exercise so that you can clear the physical test. So every day, I mean, consistency matter. For example, if you are preparing for army examinations, and one day you run 10 kilometer, and the next day you run only 100 meter or 15 meter or 1500 meter. So, and some days you are not running as well, so it will not help you if you are not consistent. So area could be different, but consistency matters in every field, and it matters in English as well. So I would like to suggest you, if you are a beginner and if you want to be fluent on English, so you should start practicing. So first of all, you should start speak. I know you will say me, I do not have any kind of environment, so how can I be fluent if I don't have environment, I don't have people with whom I can speak English. So that's why I'm suggesting you app. Use the free application so that you can be good. And one more thing, when you will use the application, so you will not hesitate to speak, because you don't know the other person as well. Because it is a strange person, you can speak with anyone, so they don't know you, you don't know him or her. So easily you can try to speak, and you will not feel hesitate. So try to speak, and you should start. If you are thinking right now and after some days you will start, so that day never will come in your life. So instead of waiting, just start. Just start. Either what I mean, it doesn't matter in which level you are as of now, so you should start now, I think, so that you can be fluent in one day. Thank you so much.